Hey, what is up, Pack Nation, Slime Pack Nation? Listen, y'all, in today's upload, I'm gonna be breaking down my exhaust sounds. For those of you that don't know, my 2021 Widebody Scatpack charger is basically straight pipe, no mids, no resonators. The cats are still there, but the cats are gutted. And no, I do not have a check engine light. Never had no problem, never had no exhaust leak with it. I got the mid muffler and resonators cut as soon as I got the car. So after the mid muffler and the resonators delete, I finally got the cats gutted, and that gave me my complete sound. I do not have anything else done to the exhaust, nothing done up under the hood. I do have a pedal box, and the pedal box does open up your exhaust sound more. So if somebody say it don't, trust me, I know it do. I've been driving with a pedal box for going on 3 years because I had it on my other Scat Pack. So with the pedal box off and with the pedal box on, it is a completely different sound. So make sure y'all go over there and get y'all a pedal box. The link will be down below in the description. And you know, of course, I got that from Hemi Life. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start, and I'm gonna give y'all some rev ups through the different modes: sport, track, street. I ain't gonna really do eco because street and eco sound about the same. I wish that the car would cold start in like sports or track mode. Now that would be crazy. So if y'all haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure y'all do that. Like this video, drop a green emoji. When the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Listen, make sure y'all go over to slimepack.store to get entered into the giveaway and to get y'all some free merch and also a chance to win a GoPro Hero 7. The giveaway is almost over with. I think it is 1 week remaining. So make sure y'all head over to slimepack.store and get y'all some merch. And also when you get the merch, you get a chance to win a free camera and some more free merch of your choice. So y'all, I am in the car. I got my phone set up and is recording to record an inside sound of the cold start, and I'm gonna be standing on the outside recording with this camera. This camera right now that y'all seeing, this is the Canon G7X, and you know, my iPhone Pro 12 Max. I'm actually not really standing close. I just got the camera zoomed in to focus more on the car. So now I'm about to go try to find a spot where I can rev it up so I won't be interrupting any neighbors' sleep, because it is a little bit early in the morning. You know, I feel like people should be up already at this time in the morning, but some people don't feel the same. So I'm gonna be respectful and try to find me a little location. Right now I'm in sport mode. I'm not gonna do no launch or nothing. I'm just take off so you can hear the exhaust sound. I'm trying to find a good spot to park. I'm actually on a road. A car can see me coming this way, so nobody won't hit me. I did a previous video on this same road, but the location is Dubai. I'm gonna do the first rev up in street, then sport, then track mode. And my pedal box is on. My pedal box is on about, I got a custom setting. I'm gonna just turn the pedal box off. So yeah. So y'all can see it is in street. I need to set up a camera out here. what I got in my trunk. I'm out here about to risk my camera trying to get this footage for y'all, but hopefully the sounds picked up good. This right here, this could be a thumbnail. Hold on. Look at this car. Y'all want to hear a little Chevy flyby? In fact, I'm about to do one for those that like to drive in eco mode, because you know this gas is high. Sometimes, you know, a lot of times I drive around in eco mode. So we got the car in eco mode, and listen, the exhaust still sounds good. Roll these windows up some. You know, this right here is a old country road out here in Dubai. I got all the windows up, just the sunroof vented. Still in eco. Y'all hear that? Still in eco mode. I just closed the sunroof door, or whatever you want to call it. Let me roll these back windows down real quick. I'm gonna hit it one time. So you know, you can still sound good and loud while cruising around in eco mode. About to put it in sport real quick though. My custom settings. For those of you that don't know, instead of touching the screen, you want to get to your custom settings, hit drive modes twice. As you can see, it's your custom settings. have a Scatpack or a hellcat, I feel like, you know, you should already go ahead and cut the mids, cut the resonators. Some people don't want to cut the resonators because they say something about the something, but I forgot because I'm not about to try to quote nothing, make myself look silly. A lot of people leave the resonators, but I say cut the mids, cut the resonators, and gut the cats. Listen, that right there, it cost me $100 to get the cats gutted, and to get the mids and resonators taken off, that was like about $110. So altogether, $200. I had to buy some kind of fillers to put on to replace on the cats. I actually got a video of him doing it. So if y'all want to know how to do it yourself, I just put the video up there on the top of the screen. You can click on that video and you can watch it, because he did it on both of my charges, on this one and also on the original slime. And it only took him about like an hour to do it. You know, the car has to be cool. Do not get down there trying to do it and your exhaust is still hot. So it's best to do it when you haven't driven your car in a while. He did it by himself. Like I said, it only took him an hour. He did it by himself in his garage. All I had to do was just bring these two filers. Yeah, I think that's what it was. There was some kind of filers, and he replaced them with whatever other things that was on there. I know whenever he pulled the cats off, he took all the stuff that was inside of it, he took that out. That's what gutting the cats is, clear that out, because they stuff a lot of stuff in there to muffle the sound of your car. I know he was telling me with your cats gutted, you get more of a better airflow. Some people say you don't, some people say you do. But listen, I love the exhaust sounds, I love the loudness. I want to get louder, but this right here is a quick, easy way to make your car louder. Gut your cats, delete the mids and the resonators. I know I done heard some people say some shops charge about $300 something to cut the mids and resonators or whatever it is, but I'm gonna post this up on the screen. Y'all go check him out. Listen, he'll only charge about maybe $50, $60 to cut the mids, then, you know, $50, $60 to cut the resonators. So y'all check him out. That's where I go if you're around my area. If you're not around my area, then I don't know what to tell you. So yeah, and the dude who did my cats, I'm not sure if he's still doing it because he got other things going on in his life. We was actually, me and two other people was actually on the waiting list to get our cars done for some months. He did all three of our cars in the same day, and I think he was done with doing it then because he's focusing on other stuff, and also he has his own car stuff going on. So yeah, if you're able to find somebody to gut your cats, please do so. Like I said, I put a video up there on the screen. Once again, you can click on that, you can see how to do it. And also, I know Fat Cat got a video out on how to do it. I used to watch that video way before I even got a Scatpack at all. But yeah, y'all also go check out his video. Like this video if you haven't already. Like this video, and why haven't you subscribed yet? If you still watching these videos and you're not subscribed, then come on, yo, stop being fake. Turn on that bell so you can get notified every time I post, which is usually every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Last week I did about a video every day. So this week I'm gonna try to do a video every day. I'm trying to push out more content. Enter into the giveaway if you haven't entered into the giveaway. Slimepack.store. Purchase anything off the site and you will automatically get entered in to win a GoPro Hero 7 and also some free merch. And I think that's about it. must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to slimepack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you, by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to slimepack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.